In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to switch out the battery in a KEYDIY KD Universal NB12-4 key fob. This key fob does take one CR2032 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can pick one up. So to remove the battery from this key fob, you will need a small flathead screwdriver, and then this key fob has already had the physical key removed, and if it's not removed, you can press the button to move it out because you'll need to access this side. We are going to be removing this back panel, so to do that, stick your finger on this side and just pull up, and it'll start to work its way loose. If it doesn't pop off completely, you can see a crack has started to form on the side. You can use a flathead screwdriver to kind of start to wedge that open until you can pull the cover off. Then you can set it to the side, and you can see a circuit board in here with the battery. We need to carefully remove this circuit board and set this to the side, and then we have our battery in this housing, and so you can see the battery is held in by these clips on this side, and to remove the battery we need to press it from this side gently with our screwdriver to push it out of this casing. So you just kind of work it in there, trying not to scrape the circuit board. Get it to where you can actually just pull the battery out, get rid of your old battery, swap your new battery in, press it in until it's firmly in there. Take the main body of the key fob and insert the circuit board back in until it sits nice and flush. And then you can snap the back cover on. And then you just want to make sure your buttons are aligned with the buttons on the circuit board. And you should be good to go. So hopefully this video helped you out in swapping out the battery in your key fob. If it did, leave the video a like. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.